if I could just make this announcement, if I may. Could the blue Nissan Micra... No, this is serious. Blue Nissan Micra, registration CAIRNS. Please move. Please move, because you're blocking the progress of an entire nation. Okay, I'd like to hand over to another Red Poet now. Croeso mawr I Mike Jenkins.
Okay, diolch Phil. Okay, rydyn ni gyda'i gilydd yn dilyn ysbryd y bobl Merthyr yn y gwrthryfel. We're walking today in the same spirit as the people of Merthyr in 1831, and like them, we share a vision. This is a poem I wrote especially for this occasion. Cymru, this house. It's there below a tired plien. Ich dyn, I serve. Too long gweision, down in basements and cellars. Scullery maids and butlers, deferential and bowing. Let's make this house our own, not some castle or mansion, but a modest dwelling with grassy roof and panels, more energy than we need. Let's open it up to visitors who wish to stay or reside. Share the food from a sufficient small holding. Share good company of an evening. Let's build a bridge with languages across that stream. The surge of water or dry beds teach us. Invite the lonely wanderers in. Let's call this house Cymru. As we ceili joining hands at the housewarming, no more rent or dues. We'll look to garden oaks durable in the years ringing. Diolch yn fawr, bygod ni eto. Cymru fi, Cymru go, Cymru fi.
Diolch yn fawr iawn, Mike Jenkins. Welcome.